most of you must have seen me singing some song, playing guitar somewhere. So that's who I am. I'm not a humorist, but still, I'll try to. First of all, first things first. Why I am here? There's a story. Like after the last open mic, Piggy, I challenged Piggy that okay, dude, I can do much better stand-up act with like better than what you do on stage. So he's like, okay, I took this challenge and I'm here. Uh, so today I'm talking about a special category of males. These males are they've just passed their teenagers. They are newly adults and they're still not given up their immaturity. They're still immature. So I call it an estrogen syndrome. Uh, Estrogen is a female sex hormone. It is not to imply that females are not mature. It means that it's a non-man characteristic these guys have. And I want to restrict it to only male and female. I don't want to integrate the third category. So the genesis of these estrogen people is what? Because it's their thinking. It's their general thing that they want to attract the attention of all the girls. They want to be popular. They want to be like the macho dudes, and they want to do all kind of crazy things that attract attention and make them famous or something. They want to be the jokers, the real jokers there. Okay, so. Yeah, the joke is coming. Okay, so the special category, the genesis we've seen now. What are these symptoms? What are the symptoms these guys have? These guys are attention seekers. Okay, like big attention seekers. These guys always want to be jokers, as I said. Oh, look at me! I'm a cool dude. Just laugh at my jokes. I'm a cool person. I smoke one pack of cigarette every day. I'm so cool. I don't brush my teeth before coming to the class. I'm so cool. And assignments? What are those? I don't do them. I just copy from people. I'm a free rider. That's kind of attitude these guys have. Okay. So if you are, he is an attention seeker. So if you are his friend, okay, if you are his friend, you will get all the attention all the attention in the world, because it works both like you give attention, you take attention. It works in that sense for them. Also, thank you for the clap. Thank you. And also they'll do all kinds of chutzpah under the sun in the name of these being cool act or something. They are they don't do any adventurous thing. It's like, oh, there's a snake in the parking lot. I'm so scared. I just don't like snakes. Oh wait, snakes? Did I say snakes? They're afraid of the cockroaches too. And going ahead. Okay. So if you are, they are into all kinds of pseudo sports activities. Like they'll listen to some people chatting about football and they'll say that they'll tell it as their own story. That this guy and this guy plays for this club. We should do that. But they'll actually not play any sport. They'll just play it on probably on the video game or the PlayStation or the computer. So if you are this person, it's perfectly fine. It's completely okay. You don't have to worry about it. You just have to probably do some things differently. It's like you have to get your adrenaline rush out. You have to do some things that induce some rowdiness. So you take a panga with somebody, take actually verbal panga with somebody where you abuse. I mean, use the bad words also. Yeah, I'm not using that word. You can, and stop calling people of your age uncle. I mean, they're not uncle. Even you have beard. It's fine. You don't have to call them uncle. It's what else? You can actually start playing a game or a sport that we are talking about. Instead of talking, listening to some other people and then talking, you can actually talk and then talk whatever. So, if you are this person, you can slowly probably improve to be a normal person. And I know this noise level is going up. I know, I get it. So, if these things doesn't help you, these things don't help you, you can go to the counselor, like, who keep sending us mail, like, the service is available. And if it doesn't really improve much, you can probably go on with the specialist. Thank you, I know I screwed up.